Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today I want to show you how you can grow this large rose bush. This rose bush, look at how big it is. Oh my god, it's just so big. Let me back up a little bit so you could actually see how big it is. It is so big. So I actually grew this rose bush from one cutting, if you could believe that. And it's just so beautiful. Right now we're in July, so it's not really giving me that many flowers, but once after summer, once summer passes, it's gonna be full of flowers. So pretty flowers. So let me show you how you could get something this big with beautiful, once they grow, you're gonna see all the beautiful flowers, but from one cutting, right? Okay, so what you want to do is that you want to cut a piece. So let me go ahead and cut a piece of a branch. So let me go over here so I can show you. Let me see, like something. Let me check. Okay, so something like this one here. I don't know if you could see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. So let me go ahead and cut it. Here we go. Okay, so once you cut your branch, what you want to do is you want to put it in water. Okay, so you're gonna insert it in water. Either you could get one of these and just add water to it, and you're gonna see you're gonna see the sprouts and the roots coming out like in maybe like 3 weeks. So you could put it in a beautiful container, a beautiful glass cup like this, and you'll see roots pretty soon. Okay, and that's all. And once you get the roots, you plant it in a planter with dirt. Make sure you get some good dirt, and you just wait till it grows a little bit bigger, and then you could plant it on the ground like the way I did right here. Look at how big mine is already. I think that this has became like a tree already. It's like I hope it doesn't grow any larger than this, because then I'm gonna have to be trimming it. I think I already have to trim it. And you could also see that I don't know if you could tell, but I also have strawberries. They're in there somewhere, a strawberry plant. And I did the same thing with my rosemary. This one I actually have to transplant it, but it's still pretty. And then I have my beautiful pomegranate tree. And this is a beautiful tree, and I hope one day it's gonna give me fruit. But I think it is. And thank you for joining me. Bye bye.